If you want to sound like a pro on the piano and like you've practiced for years, this is what you will learn. You see, so beautiful already, and I see so many piano influencers compose songs exactly like this. So let's keep this short and let's get right into it. So for the right hand melody, we do something very simple. The only thing we're gonna do is we find the A, so the group of 3 black notes. Between the second and the third black note, there is the A. And now, the only thing we need to do is play this note with the thumb, play the next white note with our index finger, and the next white note with the middle finger. And we don't need any other notes for the right hand. We can simply press the middle finger and the thumb, something like this, thumb, middle finger. And then we just change the thumb with the index finger. So index finger and middle finger. And simply, it's really as simple as this, go back to the thumb and the middle finger. And back to the index finger. I think you can do this, right? Really, really simple. It will sound something like this. Not complicated, 3 notes, and you just need to know when to alternate. Oh, and if you want to know how I came up with this melody, it just took me a few seconds. I used the scales cheat sheet. You can download this completely for free. Hundreds of people have already downloaded this, printed it out, and just put it on the piano because it's so helpful. You can just take a look on the cheat sheet for 1 or 2 seconds and you know exactly which notes to play. Again, you can download this completely for free. Just click on the link in the description down below and you will see this is so helpful. Alright, for the left hand, it's also really, really simple because we just start with the same note we started on the right hand with, so with the A, but in a lower frequency right here, just the next lower A, but we play it with our pinky. And now we could do the same thing, basically just lay every other finger on the next white note, like this. But we get rid of the index finger and the ring finger, because we don't need those fingers. I mean, you don't have to push them away, the fingers, you can just leave them on there, but I want you to just imagine that you're only playing these 3 notes, like this. But we don't play it exactly like this, because we always play the pinky first, and then the other 2 notes, the middle finger and the thumb together. Twice. Something like this. Simple, right? And we do this for this chord right here. We move down from A to this G. Do the same thing right here. And you saw this. The only thing I did was I moved my whole hand. I do the same thing, going 1 more white note to the left. I just take my whole left hand, push it 1 white note left, and we get to the F. We just do the same thing. So we start here from this A. We change down to the G. We change down to the F. But then we play this again, and then back to the G. So on the end we play just as a transition to restart again. So basically it sounds like this. Change, change, play a little bit longer, and change up to G, restart. Change, again, and up, and restart. And together you will get something like this. And again, if you use the scales cheat sheet, you can just do those things very simply. We could also do the same thing in the E flat minor scale, for example. So the only thing we do is we move up right here and play the same notes basically, just in another frequency, in another pattern. We play it the same way, like this. I hope you see how powerful this Chaos cheat sheet really is. So download it completely for free. I wish that I had something in the beginning, something like this, that helped me to understand and to learn the piano with way less time, more effectively. If this quick video was helpful, then show some love, give this video a like. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.